Stop. Before you even think about buying a new pair of headphones, or if you're currently eyeing that deal on the current AirPods Pro, you need to hear this. Something is happening in Apple's audio labs that is about to make every wireless earbud on the planet look like a technology from the Stone Age. We are talking about the AirPods Pro 4. 4 years, we've seen incremental updates, a little better noise cancellation here, a slightly better battery there. But as we move through 2026, the leaks coming out of the supply chain aren't just whispers anymore. They are a seismic shift. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Apple is preparing to move the AirPods Pro from being a music accessory to being the most advanced piece of wearable health and AI technology ever conceived. We are talking about earbuds that can literally see your environment, a processor that outperforms some older MacBooks, and clinical-grade health sensors that could quite literally save your life. This isn't just about listening to Spotify. This is about the H3 revolution, the debut of infrared camera modules in your ears, and a level of silence that the industry has never thought possible. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the AirPods Pro 4. If you want to know why the tech world is in a state of absolute shock, and why your current earbuds are about to become obsolete, stay exactly where you are. This is the definitive breakdown of the most important wearable release of 2026. Let's start with the brain of the operation, the H3 silicon. The H2 chip was a masterpiece of efficiency, but the H3 is a monster. Built on a new ultra-low power architecture, the H3 isn't just processing audio. It's running complex Apple Intelligence models locally, right inside your ear canal. Why does an earbud need that much brain power? The answer is advanced computational audio. For the first time, we are hearing reports of hyper-adaptive noise cancellation. While the current Pro models are great at blocking out the hum of a plane or a busy street, the H3 chip is designed to sample the environment at over 100,000 times per second. It doesn't just block noise, it predicts it. It identifies specific frequencies, the cry of a baby, the screech of a subway, the click of a mechanical keyboard, and creates a perfect anti-wave before that sound even reaches your eardrum. It's not just silence, it's a digital void. But the H3 chip has a secondary, more secretive mission, lossless audio. For the longest time, the audiophile community has looked down on Bluetooth because it compresses the music. Not anymore. The AirPods Pro 4 are rumored to feature a proprietary ultra-wideband protocol that allows for true 24-bit/48 kHz lossless audio transmission. When paired with the iPhone 17 or 18, you are getting the exact same quality as a wired studio monitor, without a single cable. This is the holy grail of wireless audio, and Apple is about to claim it. Now, let's talk about the leak that has everyone confused and terrified. Infrared cameras. Yes, you heard that right. According to top-tier analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is integrating miniature infrared camera modules into each earbud of the Pro 4. At first, people asked, why would I want a camera in my ear? But the reality is genius. These sensors aren't for taking photos of your brain, they are for spatial awareness. In 2026, Apple is pushing hard into the Vision Pro and spatial computing ecosystem. These infrared cameras allow the AirPods